How to play Mortal Kombat Mobile online with friends. For this, go ahead and launch your Mortal Kombat Mobile application first and foremost. Then tap on the play option and wait for the game to load completely. In here, go ahead and search for person icon from here to add friends to join in your game. To invite your friend, you have to go ahead and enter their player tag or their username. Then tap on Multiplayer Faction War, the middle of the chapter, to play the multiplayer mode of Mortal Kombat. In this dialog box, go ahead and enter a username that will be your squad name. So for an example, I'll be typing something gibberish here. And just go ahead and tap on OK and accept. Then select a faction that you want to play with your friends. Then select choose. Next step is to go ahead and select a mode of your faction wars. So go ahead and select a mode that you want to play with your friend. Once you tap on it, select a pass. And you can skip this quick play how to. Select a quick play destiny. And right here it will search for your opponents. Then just tap on fight whenever you are ready. And just like that, your Mortal Kombat destiny will begin, and so is your battle. So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.